Alright everybody, welcome back. Today, we're going to talk about something many of us are curious about, whether you're hitting the gym or just wondering how your body works. How do muscles actually get bigger and stronger? It's pretty fascinating, so let's break it down in a simple way. Think of your muscles like a bunch of tiny, incredibly strong elastic bands bundled together. When you lift something heavy, push against resistance, or even just do a lot of repetitive movements, you're actually putting stress on these muscle fibers. Now, here's the key. This stress isn't a bad thing. In fact, it's what kickstarts the whole growth process. When you challenge your muscles, especially with activities like lifting weights or even just bodyweight exercises, you create tiny, microscopic tears in those muscle fibers. Don't worry, this is completely normal and part of the process. Your body sees these little damages and thinks, hey, we need to fix this and make sure it doesn't happen again. So, your body immediately starts repairing those tiny tears. And here's where the magic happens. It doesn't just repair them back to how they were. Instead, it overcompensates. Your body adds more protein to those muscle fibers, making them thicker and stronger than before. It's like patching a small hole in a wall but then adding an extra layer of plaster to make it even more solid. This process of getting bigger and stronger is called muscle hypertrophy. Now, for this whole process to work its best, a few things are super important. First, you need to keep challenging your muscles. If you always lift the same weight, your muscles won't see a reason to get stronger. You need to gradually increase the weight or the difficulty of your exercises over time. This is called progressive overload. Second, your body needs the right building blocks. This means eating enough protein, which is essential for repairing and building new muscle tissue. Think of protein as the bricks your body uses to build those stronger muscle fibers. And finally, rest is absolutely crucial. Your muscles don't grow when you're working out, they grow when you're resting and recovering. That's when your body does all the repair and rebuilding work. So, it's a bit like a cycle. You challenge your muscles, they get tiny tears, your body repairs them and makes them stronger, and then you challenge them again. It's a truly amazing system that allows us to adapt and become physically stronger.